Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a spring/Easter decorate with me. I love this time of year. Here I am in upstate New York. We've been in the 40s and the 50s. We're making progress. We're getting there. Tomorrow is daylight savings time. We set the clocks ahead and we have more daylight. I am very excited about that. And I absolutely love spring and Easter decor. It's so cute. I love all the pastel colors, the pinks, the blues, the purples. So I have decor to decorate my house with today. And I also wanted to share some tips and tricks with you guys. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to decorate with me for the spring, then just keep watching. So I quickly just wanted to show you guys most of the decor that I have to select from this year. Some of it's from last year and the previous year, but most of this I went to Michael's and purchased the other day. They have such cute decor for like the Easter and the spring. All these little bunnies like over there and the pillows, those are all from Michael's. That wreath up there, I think I got that maybe at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, but I've seen it again somewhere else. I don't remember where. A lot of like the floral arrangements are from Michael's as well, and the bunnies, the dish towels are from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. So these bunny figurines down there are from Walmart, and there's some other odds and ends in here from Walmart as well. But I quickly just wanted to show you guys all of the decor put together, and now we can start decorating. Before I started decorating, I wanted to clean off my kitchen countertops. I'm using the Caldrea countertop spray, and it is in the fragrance Rosewater Driftwood. It smells so nice. You will smell it all day long, and the next day I will link it down below. And next, what I'm doing is taking flowers that I got off a bouquet. You guys saw them, they're from Michael's, and I like to take them and put them on candle stick holder centerpieces. I think it's such a great idea. You guys will see it throughout the video. It looks so nice. And then next, M&Ms. You guys know if you watch my videos, I like to get all the different colored M&Ms throughout the years. They currently have the spring pastel ones out, so that is a must. For this part of my kitchen, I decided to switch it up and remove that little wooden bunny and use my new Michael's Easter decor, and I'm so glad I did. I think it looks so cute. So as you guys will see, I took the tops off that flower bundle that I got at Michael's, and I wanted to add some pops of color to my fireplace decor. Now I already had the white peony flowers and the burlap garland, and I also had those, they're like fake pearl Easter eggs as well, so I just wanted to add some color. I popped in the pink and I think it looks so nice. And as you guys will see, I do have an LED string light interwoven, and it'll turn on in a second as you guys see, and at night it looks so nice along the fireplace. And also the burlap garland is from Hobby Lobby. And for the third time in this video, I am taking the tops of that flower bundle. These were like smaller flowers, and I'm just stuffing them into my coffee table centerpiece. just to add that pink or the pops of pink in to match the fireplace. And it's such a great idea. I love doing it. I think I do it one more time in this video, but you guys will see me rip it off right there. And I just think it looks so nice. And I probably should have mentioned this in the beginning of the video, but you guys see that I am so into neutrals, and me adding these pops of color, even like with that pillow, for example, I've never done it before, but I'm actually really liking it. I've always been a neutral kind of girl since we moved into this house with my decor, and I wanted to switch it up and add some pinks and blues and some color for the spring, and I broke out of my shell, and I'm really happy I did because I think it looks so nice. As you guys see, I'm just cleaning off my dining room table. This dining room table, I love it, but it's so dark that it always looks dirty, especially with my cat's hair. So I wanted to give it a good wipe down. But as you guys will see in a second, I have another really nice like metal decorative candlestick holder, and I'm going to be taking the tops of flowers and placing it on top where the candles would be. This is, I think, the last time I do it in the video, but I just love doing it. So you can get these flowers anywhere, not just Michael's. Walmart sells them. They're really cheap, but it's a really inexpensive way to add like some nice decor to your house. You don't have to use candlestick holders, but I just like to for some reason. And also the candlestick holder I got a few years ago at Michael's. I don't know if they still have it, but I figured I would mention that. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing in my downstairs bathroom. I apologize for the lighting. It's either gonna look really yellow or dark because this bathroom has no windows, but I'm just hanging that nice little Easter sign, if you will, from Michael's. And then I always have flowers on top of the toilet in our downstairs bathroom, so I switched them out for these ones from Michael's. I had to cut this bouquet and then it was still too long, so I kind of just like folded the bottoms of the stems to fit. Okay guys, so that is it for this decorate with me. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you decorate for Easter? Do you decorate for spring? What type of decor do you like when you decorate for spring and Easter? I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.